lion, one rose disguise. One lion, one rose disguise. One lion, one rose disguise. One lion, one rose disguise.
Babe!
Move that boy. What is it?
I've been calling you since.
You know, since I had also money for TikTok for our future.
Hey, but this is what you have been doing and you have not seen any gain inside. You know what? This is the right time you choose between me and your TikTok live, okay? Baby, please, I'm sorry. I don't really mean it.
Catch.
I was just kidding. Babe, I'm sorry, please.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So please make sure to watch to the very end, because trust me, this is gonna be a banger. You understand? So watch to the very end. Subscribe if you're yet to do that, and share this video. It's very important, my people. You feel me? So don't play, my people. Don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Funny man, funny man. Hold my inner young body.
Subscribe to Sabinus phone up. I go carry something. Why in the shop? Keep for crap. You know what I'm saying? Put it in the box for this code.
Bro, no.
Boss, nobody you can't become. Use your sensor. Boss, I want buy Piota. So this one are 100 men versus 1 Korea. Don't worry, I go use 2 by 2. Why are your face short? Boss, give me the water. I'm a Balo.
The gorilla not even strong.
Oh! This young boy may end up going mad.
One man.
What's going on?
One man picking. Poor man picking, they see something. So much poor man picking crowd that you know the last one.
Hey! Come here!
This is short. Why you call it dance like
Let's look you there. What's your name again?
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Big baby. Just imagine. Look at the idiots you are following.
Daddy, he's not an idiot though. He's my boyfriend.
Actually, I'm going to marry you. You're going to be my wife.
Hey, I'll get back to you, eh? They are Mr. Bush baby, a big baby, eh? Leave my compound. Hold your ears. Let this be the first and last time I'll see you in this compound. What did I say? Let it be the first and last I'll see you in this compound. Hey! Look at this idiot.
What did they worry you?
I said this will be the first and last time I'll see you in this compound. What did I say? Let it be the first and last you see me in this compound. Very good. But sir, can I be waiting for her outside?
What did they worry you? Or go kill you?
Get out! Don't get out of here.
This is the best meeting that
You don't get the
You?
Now you can't say it.
Ifeoma, hope you are purging, you know. Hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Never expected it.
She's in our play.
That devil now bring us together.
Big baby has finally given you small baby, Abby. Oh, yeah, now pass like this, eh?
But you're not angry.
Angry? No, now. Children are a gift from God now. I'm not angry. Pass here.
Congratulations.
Hey.
That's the only valid conversation.
I am actually here because my daughter Ifeoma is pregnant. So I brought her to come and be staying with you.
Oh, that's it. What did they worry you?
Sir, I don't understand.
What don't you understand? Everybody knows you on Instagram now, King Bishi. Why you take care for the pregnant girls with the Lagos now?
Sir, see, I have enough girls here. There's no space for your daughter.
Leave that in, Joe. Leave that in. Hey, Ifeoma, you will stay with her, eh? She will take care of you. Guess what? She will open Instagram page for you. People will follow you. You will blow.
Okay.
Then you can bring your bag, eh?
See, fine girl, follow your daddy because if you stay here, you purpose that baby.
You have coconut hair. I've told you not once, not twice, not 3 times. I don't even know if the hair on your head is for decoration.
You calm down now.
Don't tell me to calm down. What rubbish? Eh?
You know you're just overreacting.
I'll show you what overreacting is today.
You can wish.
Wait till you find.
Man, fake your papa first. Now you first pass, Abi.
Why you not
He go get you.
Why you not
I be na a lot to be. It's a small argument with me and your picking the girl to now she carry stick say she wants scatter G-Wagon. Waiting reach to spoil G-Wagon now.
You can wish.
Now you get the G-Wagon. No, it's not my own. It's not mine. Give her the phone, follow and talk. The daddy won't follow you talk.
Hello, Daddy.
Manager, it's how much for this G-Wagon? What can I make here?
With just 308 million, this car is yours.
Now that's how you talk.
Millions.
Eh?
Millions, sir.
Now that's how you talk.
No, we deal on millions.
I just say you want scatter G-Wagon. Now why come here any price? You can go ahead. But for now, don't say you not get Papa for the meantime.
When cats sleep, rat go bite him.
Anger issues.
One rose disguise, one lion, 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 one rose disguise.
Babe!
What is it?
I've been calling you since.
You know, since I had also money for TikTok for our future.
But this is what you have been doing, and you have not seen any gain inside. You know what? This is the right time you choose between me and your TikTok live, okay? Please, I'm sorry. I don't really mean it. I was just thinking.
My guy choose TikTok live.
Babe, I'm sorry, please.
I choose TikTok over you. Guys, me also make me cut on and say I don't pursue my babes.
I hope you cultivate them well.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how much be your money?
2,000, madam.
Mama Oka.
Thank you.
You how much be your money?
2,000.
I hope so maybe another person and this one go cultivate you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Waiting.
I follow them work.
How much?
I own 5,000.
Hey!
I give you 5,000 now if you carry them.
Yes, ma'am. 5,000 I work.
And you work fast.
Hey, you never reach to pay money.
Hey.
I'll go.
Oh God, don't check everything when you say me I check now. You cannot see stats. I don't try everything, you know what? I don't touch it, you say me I touch now. I don't touch the battery head.
Okay, what's happening here? I don't understand. What's happening here? I've been standing under this sun since morning. What's happening? This is the third time we're stopping on this road. What's happening?
Madam, I beg, no vex. No vex. You can't go start now. Mechanic before.
Just do something about it because I don't have that time.
No vex, I beg. Thank you. Oh God, where you going now? I did this straight through. They come.
I don't tell you, say if you don't wake up early in the morning, first of all, check this your car. You see this thing like this? Now the oil. What is this one now? Now this one be mainland oil and gas and a very high quality oil. And if you put them for your car, it will improve the performance of your car. Even your fuel consumption will dey low and it will make your engine last long. All this one where they off for road, you know go dey off. You see this one, now be the super plus, and now this one now be the super. So two of them feel work for your car. Go on your car.
You don't start to.
I tell you now.
I beg, give me the oil. Give me am. Madam, I beg, take this one, take it to your mind, I beg.
Is that even cold? You delayed me under this one since.
Madam, no vex, we go reach there now.
She tell me say she go change her for me.
Atama, if that's your mommy, forget your passport too.
Oh my God, my passport. That's so very nice of you. Yeah. Oh my God, so nice of you.
You must be a good man.
Yeah.
You must be a good man.
See, let me appreciate you. Continue. Yeah, just have this.
Oh my God. Only me. Let me take your mom, you.
Hello, sir. Actually, it's my baby boy. Come here.
God have mercy upon us.
Your physical mother. Sorry.
Baby, are you not proud of me?
Come on, baby, I'm proud of you. I'm very proud of you.
Why are you always doing this when we are outside?
Baby, I'm proud of you.
In fact, I'm tired of you. I'm just tired.
Woman.
Babe.
This one never be proud of his source of Iko.
Let's watch this video.
Now, bro, have fun now. What's up now? Which kind of matter be that now?
Okay.
You're not supposed to talk that the way you talk that time now. She don't walk and leave me now, go out.
You see, you don't leave you.
Which kind of talk be that one now?
Sorry, boss.
What you even carry me come like this now? Now that money where she give you. I want you to take transport go out.
Which money be that?
The money where she give you.
This is playing.
That one, I don't say the money give me amount. No cash for me.
I want to do am like this. I don't get it fair.
You go do transfer now.
I don't get transfer. I don't get money for account.
What's going on here?
As I see this your shoe, you go use Bitcoin. Share them with a coin and then they pass on your life.
Bitcoin no day, my guy. Nothing day.
As you do like this now, you don't get money for hand.
Nothing day my hand.
You don't get anything for body like this.
Nothing day my body.
I they play with your source of income.
Oh God.
Share they see that cup.
Bro, how you go fear help me now?
They don't have to do for you like this. Share you get certificate.
What you want my certificate to?
Okay. See your mate. Now the same clothes now they wear. Go start work. Ajay.
Rub this on the face. On the face of the person that you want to make mad. On the face of the person that you want to make mad.
You say wait, why you know they talk fast now, Baba? Which kind of wahala be this now?
Hi, sweetie.
I'm tired of being the side piece. I want to be the main piece.
You are that guy.
Oh, that's so sweet. You want me to leave my boyfriend for you? I can't do that. He pays all my bills and he does everything for me. You are so good at something though. You're good at one thing. You know what that is? The bed. Aww. If you do what you did last time, I'll cash up you as you leave. Hold her. Okay, let's go upstairs. Come on. Put her down. Let's go. You always get so emotional. Like, let's stop the emotions.
Who's that?
I don't know.
Ouch!
My brothers.
What thing be this? Babe, what's this? Her brother.
Azal now.
Who is he?
My boyfriend.
Oh, the one you've been telling me about?
Really, nigga?
Young man, I've heard a lot of things about you. She's my junior sister.
Okay.
I don't joke, yeah. If you break her heart, you mess with the whole military.
It is that.
Oh, soldier, 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 soldier. Stand and beat your chest, did it?
Your brother?
Yeah.
Why is he black?
He's adopted.
Did it come, no make them catch you up there.
Babe, you were calling me to come pick you up so fast. And why are you on military uniform? Why are you not wearing your clothes?
Babe, I just finished on set. Yeah, we just finished shooting.
Okay, so what happened to your clothes?
It got messed up. Something poured on it. See, babe, let's go. I will return it back for them, man.
Are you serious right now?
Yes, babe, let's go. I want to eat. Can I go and eat, please?
So where do you want to go eat?
Just let's go, let's go.
Hey! No, your leg will not leave.
What's going on here? Will you fast and sit down?
Oh shit, not good.
You're just coming to school at this time? After 12 in my class? No problem, go to the bottom and find eggs. Be fast about it. Right now.
You think say they why?
Be fast about it. Find eggs for me.
You don't have future here. You don't have future. You can never make
Alright, ma'am, sorry, according to what is on the board, Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, in our own mentality, the systematic scientific calculation of potential infant to human ecological system, these eggs need to be found. So, do your thing, do your thing. Now, please, students, can we find eggs? No! Is there eggs on the board? No! Now, do your thing. Now, lo and behold, X is back. Can you find X? Yes! Can you find X? So, ma'am, according to what is on the board, X is back. Wow. Skills.
That's what I'm talking about. That's why he's the GOAT.
don't do am again. In a biggie way, Jehovah don't do am again. Oh, in a biggie way, he don't do am again. In a biggie way, Jehovah don't do am again. Oh, in a biggie way, iyo dede, yo, iyo papo, yo, dede, ebo dede. My brother, we just saw your wife don't born. Who gonna do for me a rough powder? Woo!
Make come on the powder show. I don't understand it. What to be all those on now? Now the fourth game my wife dey born be this one.
So as I get pikin, so me dey throw away, huh?
I'll go sit down and train woman go school finish. First go come marry her. Who go come answer my name?
Which name you first get? What if you don't get when you find one answer your name? You as you dey like this, if you never dey vex say your name, you dey answer and you won't carry and give another person. I know they understand you. People dey find pikin, you born girl, you dey vex. Why you dey vex?
My brother, woman pikin not be pikin. Woman education when in the kitchen.
Why you forget that mentality, safe? Now every girl they kitchen. Women they this country be say they very successful. They run big business. They be say some men not feel wrong. You don't know.
As I do so, the fine boy pikin will carry my name go top for life.
You will get the name. You did down. You dey find one carry and go up. You know they carry and go up by yourself. Woman pikin not be pikin, but if not be woman, they for not born you.
I know they look you there and I owe you the talk. So as I do so, I don't leave my wife for hospital. Now I know I want to come to hospital.
Wait, you don't leave your wife for hospital? Who even want the pikin self not they happy? Now we pack all the full neck for area. Make I call themselves and then not waste the remaining powder. I'm going to bath my children.
He get a CB. He get a CB.
Which kind of shower be this now? Baba, you don't trust me again, eh? Now very sharp shower be that. Now very active shower, eh? Why she know they blink? Baba, now very serious shower. She know they joke with that job. You understand? Ashawo, smile for us. Don't see am. She dey very friendly. How much can you carry her? Now 4-2 for our 2.
Hey! We not go do, we not go do.
We go do.
I put your dress now. Why they waste my time? I don't get time.
Mama, make it do Ashawo to the baby body.
Hey!
What is that?
Hey!
Hey! We do. Small, you can't roll this thing for me. No waste my time. I don't get time at all.
Wait for carry on. Baba na for total now way Laugh Nation. Officer was untouchable. They carry a shower. Now they carry him. So now shop lock. What you copy that? What's that?
My brother, now cops. Don't reason the container. You just the disguise because of Aja police. If they catch you.
Oh, because of Nak? Baba na norms. My grandmother do this profession before, eh? She did them for the sake of this thing. Jesus! Jesus! Hello? Ashawo.
What you be this?
I don't radio. When I bring on a brokers.
Why they need to behave like this? Her behavior just dey shock me. For 4-2, the price not shock you. Now they reason now.
I never have my boat.
Who be that? I'm not sure. Wait, my will check.
God have mercy upon us.
Oh no, wait there. Oh no,
my grandpa and my uncle, they don't come back. How come now? You say they be outside country. I don't even understand. They don't even call me. God. And you know, see they tell me, say make I avoid you. Say you be bad influence. I know. But we'll find solution first.
Oh, will you? Whether I like or no now. When I go pay my photo. Don't joke with me. Now my market, I can't come here.
I am a Christian. And now we don't allow this to happen. The pastor will be the one to set Papa forth.
And why do you think you will decide that?
Because I am your elder sister.
You are my elder, but I am the man of the house.
What nonsense, man!
Papa, don't go yet. Let your will be done.
Welcome, Papa.
So I cannot talk.
Don't go.
Is that what you are saying? As far as I am concerned, no native doctor is going to send Papa forth.
What do you they talk? You don't know say Papa they multitask. Sometimes they go to church, they use native doctor, they back up.
Enough. Allow me to die in peace. Nduka.
Papa.
Please get me my black tea.
Okay, Papa.
I'm gonna get my son.
Papa, let your will be done.
Please learn to tolerate your sister. She's still your elder sister.
Hey! Papa, this girl, why is she still in your house? Why has she refused to marry? If say she don't come out now, we for the dude say we won't right away. It matters. That girl is as evil as this on your jaw here. But it is here.
I'm gonna get my son. The 5 houses at Banana Island is your one.
That one is good. Let me write it.
There's no sugar.
Papa, you know say you dey get diabetes, so you no go need sugar.
Hey! There's glucose here. I think glucose would be better. You can...
No. Okay, wait. Papa, you should not be taking anything sugary.
Glucose is to boost energy, strength.
No, it's sugar. It's not good.
Take as much as you want.
Energy. Put more.
Hey!
God have mercy upon us.
Jesus, my brain one broke.
My daughter, the 4 houses in Lekki is your own.
All of a sudden you're Agkaay.
Who goes you?
Identify yourself on one. Papa, I'm your son.
Hey! No wonder. You look familiar. My favorite grandson. Sir.
But you are shouting.
Will you shut up your mouth? I'm not shouting. That is my voice. My favorite grandson. Sir. The 4 houses in all. Oh. Oh my God.
No, Balo, come on. Our ancestors are here to take his spirit.
No! Leave it. It is because of the ancestral demon. And because of my presence, the demons want to come out. I command you, come out!
I'm coming.
Papa, you are going no.
Come out!
Papa.
Hey. I'm so dead to the sweet. I thought my wee first.
Hey! This is why you know they change part. The eyes of the gods you be, you never crazy. The parts of the god.
Chief Mark or what?
The parts of the god.
Hey, shit, die. I don't die.
Papa, I never want you make you know they follow this idiot.
You don't keep Papa, Abi.
Listen, why? You are a mad woman. The worst part.
Now your mama the mad.
The gods must be crazy.
The menace to our family.
I tell you, say the doctor mislead you. Now you don't say, you don't cause the death of our papa.
Listen, why? Do you have any dangerous disease to strike him?
Uncle, let's not continue to that now.
Gods of Staphylococcus aureus.
Calm down,
Pastor, thunder from above, Holy Ghost fire, strike him.
The idiot preserve him in the mighty name of God.
Epilepsy. Mixed with eczema.
Fire from Elijah.
Strike him down.
Now forget, I dey suck.
Jesus! What have I done?
Hey man, it's not forget that it's which kind of talk with Thanks guys for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Please let's have it in the comment section. And please check out my other videos. There's so many of them in my channel. Check them out. They are right in front of your screen here. Check them out. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to drop nice comments. And above all, please share this video. You feel me? So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.